Well, here we are with an update on 76 Cardinal refurbishment. At this point, the floor is completely out and interior walls are completely out. So if you wanted to see what a naked Cardinal looks like, this is it. So the floor underneath the 3/4 inch chipboard, which we removed, everything is just down to the sheet metal that's underneath there, with a small layer of fiberglass insulation and 1x2 a wood, kind of a, I don't know if I'd call it a subfloor, but at least the structure that you attach the 3/4 ply to. And then there's occasionally bolts that are going down to the frame that are putting that 1x2 to the frame, and that goes all around the outside here. A little hard to see with all the crap, but so next step will be to replace any of the 1x2s that are in bad shape, replace any of the frame bolting that's also in bad shape, get a floor back in here, and then once that's done, can start working on these walls and ceilings. There's a lot of places where the original construction did not really have appropriate framing to support the structure in all areas, so I'm gonna have to come back and do a lot of that. We'll also be replacing the fiberglass insulation with 3/4 inch Insulfoam styrofoam insulation, which should give us a little more structure and heft. There we go, looking around. And I can see now that it's raining today. There is one little leak up there that I'm going to have to deal with. Now look on all the edges. It looks like everything is dry around the corners, so that's good. The previous owner had resealed all the seams, so they seem to be holding. So it seems like, well, we just got a roof leak right here. And then I'll have to do all sorts of resealing on these wheel wells because they were not done. Well, basically there's no sealing done originally that I could see, other than having the sheet metal in there, and everything around the wheels is basically rotted away, so that'll have to be replaced. So, lots of fun coming up. Thanks for watching.